welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Klea. If you're new here, today we're gonna be doing an apartment tour. I haven't done a video in like a couple weeks, so I'm glad to be back. We're kicking it off strong. I've honestly lived here for a few months now, so this is a bit delayed, but we're finally getting it up. I think a lot of you guys have probably seen a lot of this apartment already since I've been doing vlogs and things like that, but the full official tour is about to commence. Okay, here's my front door. You can kind of go left or right, but I'll go left first. This is like, you kind of just see this wall when you walk in, but if you turn right, this is my living room. So first I have this full-length mirror here, which is so important. I really wanted to have like a good full-length one in this apartment. I don't know if you guys saw my last one, but we didn't have one like in the common space. So then to the right we have a little TV console thing that we got at Home Goods, and then we have like this cute record player and just some other little things on there, candles and stuff, and then our TV obviously. And then moving on, this like air conditioner is so annoying. I wish it wasn't there, but our super is gonna come help us take it out on Monday. So we just have like random things over there, but for our living room area, I got pretty much all of this on Amazon. So the rug, the coffee table, this cute little coffee table book, and then the pillows, the lamp, and this like cute wall art. There's a bit of a glare right now, but this is all from Amazon, so I will link everything down below for you guys to shop. And then over here we just have the air conditioner I was telling you, which we need to remove, but just a little random things. And here's our living room view. We get a lot of sun in here, which is super nice. The windows like needs to be cleaned, but here's a little view this way. And then my roommate got this couch, I believe on Wayfair, but I honestly could be wrong, but I will get the link for her and link this for you guys as well. But it's super nice, like velvety material. My roommate's room is there. I won't show you guys just because she's not home and I don't know if she wants me to show you, but to the left over here is my room. So right when you walk in, I have another cute little mirror. This one is super fun. It's from Etsy. I don't think my camera is wanting to focus. Here we go. But it's this like little wavy mirror. I'm actually obsessed with this. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I take selfies in this literally every day. And then to the right we have my bed that I just have like against the window. I really love my cute window. It gets so much sun, which is really nice. Big change from my last apartment. I just have like a little lava lamp over there. I also have this like bubble bar throw blanket that I customize, super cute. And then my bedding is from Amazon as well, which I will link. And then these pillows, I have this cowgirl. She's from Beanut Accessories on Instagram. And then this one I got on Etsy from Honey Homeware. And then this cute purple shell I just got this week, and it's from Amazon. My bed frame I got like a few apartments ago, and I've just kept the same one. And then this print that I have is from the Met Museum. I always get questions about this, but I think that it's like a limited edition situation. I don't think they sell them anymore. Yeah, this is my little bed set up. And then to the right, I have my bedside table. I love this bedside table. I got it from Amazon. It's just like a glass and it's like S-shaped, as you can see. So on the bottom, I just have these baskets. That one's like overflowing on the right, but I really like that they have the wood cover. I thought it was cute. And then in here, I just put in like a few coffee table books / magazines, my coffee table decor. I got this this week, which is so freaking cute. And then this vase is Amazon. The candlesticks, which look how cute they are. They're like floral. And the candlestick holders are from a little shop in New York called Abode, but she has an Instagram that you can shop from as well if you're interested. And then the cute shell lamp, like how freaking cute is this? It actually lights up and is a whole lamp. This is from Amazon as well. Love this situation. These would also be really cute like in a living room at the end of your couch as well. And then I forgot to mention, I don't have a TV in here, but I do have this projector, which is so nice. I have my Fire Stick plugged into it, and then at night I can just project onto this white wall. It's so comfy and nice. It really has made my life so much better having it. Then over here we have my closet. It's just like a standard closet. I'm like scared to show you guys, but I fit as much as I can in here, and then everything else I bring home to my parents' house. But I have some storage up there, and then everything hanging. And then down here I have a bunch of shoes and my hamper. It's just like constantly overflowing, but oh well. And then up here I have a little storage area as well, which is nice. I can put like extra things up there. And then to the left, I have this little bookshelf thing that I just keep more extra things. Hats, sunglasses, like hair accessories. I have this fun little tray that I also got on Amazon for my perfumes. And then like this cute candle and a few hair clips that I think are cute. And then over here, I just have my jewelry box that I also got on Amazon. We have a lot from Amazon here. It has like that pocket, and then it also opens up and has more storage under. And then I just have these little prints. I got them down like, I think at CVS on top of it. And yeah, that's pretty much my room. It's like definitely not that large in here, but if you know, it's very hard to get a lot of space in this area. So I actually really like it, and this window like makes it so much better because it just makes like all the natural light like makes it feel more spacious than it actually is. Okay, so after I exit my room, we're back at this mirror, and this is the whole other side of my apartment. So in here, we have the bathroom. I'll show you guys quickly. We have just your classic bathroom. Let me turn the light on. Yeah, just our sink, and then we have like this rack thing that I got on Amazon as well. We just use it for a lot of storage. We have actually a really big stand-up shower, which is nice considering that a lot of showers in New York are like small and gross, so we really like that. And then we just have like these cute little prints here. You can kind of see them when I'm in the mirror. So over here we have like this cute little kitchen table. It's perfect for just 2 people. And then we just have this little print I got on Urban Outfitters right here above the table. And then to the left, we actually bought this like storage closet off Amazon as well. I'll link it for you guys, but we have coats and like all of our other random supplies in there. There's my vacuum. I should have put her away, but she's charging. And then this is our little bar cart. It's super cute. We got it from Home Goods. Look how cute these are. I got these on Amazon. And then some more just like glassware. And then above we have this print. My friend actually made this. She completely drew all of these, and it's like all restaurants and bars nearby. So this is super nice and cute. I'll link her Instagram down below as well in case you want one or any. She does like a lot of different prints. And then this way we have our kitchen. So it's really nice that the kitchen is like separate from the living room. It's a pretty spacious kitchen actually. So we have our oven over here, pretty big oven. It's really nice. And then above we have the microwave, and we have a pretty decent amount of cabinet space. And then down here as well. So that's pretty nice, just like our classic kitchen stuff. And then over here, our window over here is really nice as well. The good thing about this apartment is we have so much natural light. But the toaster I got on Amazon, and it matches this blender. And then we just have like a little spice rack over here. And then our fridge, it's kind of small, which is annoying, but it's fine. It's just 2 of us. So yeah, that's the kitchen. That's the end of the apartment, guys. It's pretty small, but I think that we did a good job with the space here, and I really like it. It's like a super good area, and we have so much natural light, which is very important to me. So thanks for watching my apartment tour. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you don't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.